Good evening everyone, my name is Samruti Pathare and I am from Digital Marketing Cell. So today I warmly welcome our alum Nikita Nigam from batch 2021 to 23. She is recently working in Deloitte Consulting USA. I am feeling really grateful ma'am for having a talk with you today.
Hi, I'm Nikita Nigam from batch 21-23, currently working with Deloitte Consulting USA. During my college life, I was a pretty active student, so I was a junior member of Lifestyle Development Cell, and in my senior year, I took a role of Vice President, Branding and Communication with Student Council, and also the Coordinator of Digital Marketing Cell.
Thank you ma'am for giving your introductions. So there are a few questions I would like to ask you. So what are the learnings and techniques that you took from this college and now you're implementing them in your corporate life?
So the learnings I took from college, which became the foundation for my professional success, are effective planning, leadership skills, communication, and adaptability. They have not just helped me personally, but professionally also. I've been able to lead teams, drive project initiative, and cater to business requirements.
That's absolutely right, ma'am. So as a woman, what challenges do you face in your workplace and how do you handle them?
While many women in the workplace may face such challenge like unconscious bias or get underestimated for leadership roles, the only suggestion I would want to give is don't let these biases define your self-worth. I think with sheer dedication and professionalism, one can definitely overcome these challenges.
I completely agree with you, ma'am. What advice would you like to give to ISB&M students and for upcoming batch to start their corporate life?
Stepping into the corporate world may seem difficult, but if you leverage your campus experience, just as I did, it will give you confidence and you can navigate through your journey. I would suggest build strong network, learn to collaborate, and embrace every opportunity you have. If you're ready to learn and adapt, then nothing can stop you.
Well said, ma'am. So one last question. So tell us about your leadership journey here at ISB&M and your experience as Vice President and Coordinator of Digital Marketing Cell.
My leadership journey at ISBM started in my second year when I became the Vice President of Student Council, Branding and Communication, and Coordinator of Digital Marketing Cell. Both of these roles have given me a lot of opportunities to build good relationships with industry experts, faculties, interact with a lot of students, and manage various events. All of this was a combined effort of various teams involved, but leading them and empowering them to lead has helped me understand the importance of listening and adaptability to changes. Combining all of it, I think it gave me a lot of confidence and motivation to work harder and to be where I am today.
That's a great point, ma'am. Thank you so much, ma'am, for your valuable time. It was really great experience for me for having a talk with you, and you will be always that inspiring alum for all ISB&M students. Thank you so much.